This 2025 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 4237T is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulfstream is 23 feet 8 inches in length and features a smoke interior, sleeps 5, auxiliary battery, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, external shower, smoke detector, LP detector, self-contained, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 4237T is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.